Hi guys, this is Kash, and today we're going to Jeju. We took a domestic flight from Seoul and I think we went to the wrong gate, but they were kind enough to guide us. The plane was so cute. It only took like an hour. You could see the whole island from the plane. The weather was a bit unpredictable during this time, but we saw blue skies and sun and we were happy. We took a bus to our hotel and took a walk around. It was super windy. We went to this amazing cafe, had the best coffee ever, and then tried to figure out the public transport so that we could get some more food. We decided to go for pizza and found this amazing place, figure out our toppings, and then watch a horror movie. What's going on? The next day, again, one of the best cafes ever. Look at the interior, look how happy I am. It did start to get more windy, but we were just going with the flow, and Jimin was trending on Billboard. It's a fun fact. We did go through this market, it was closed, but I was excited to see all the Ajuma Jeju style clothing I've seen in all those dramas. Almost got one. And the oranges were amazing. I think Jeju has the best oranges in the world. Jeju is a really pretty island, and I think if you had a car, it would be more fun just driving around, going to cute cafes. We decided to go to Hanyo Museum. If you've seen that Our Blues drama and a few other dramas based in Jeju, you know what this is about. Then we decided to go see the Black Sand Beach. There was a hike over there. There was a free hike, or you could take the more challenging path. Both of them looked really fun. It looks so beautiful. And on our way home, we also got a glimpse of Halasan Mountain. You might have seen that from another K-drama. And ended the day with BTS and Suju. The next day, we were actually supposed to fly to Busan, but our flight got cancelled because of the storm warning. So I decided to explore, go shopping. The Ajumas over here were so nice. They loved when I tried any jacket on because I'm so tall. Krati was resting at home, and because there was storm warning anyways, there wasn't much we could do. But I decided to go to the beach. It was a long bus ride. I was kind of confused. I could see the sand, but I couldn't see the beach. But as I got closer, it got prettier and prettier. So I decided even if I was lost, it's a nice place to be lost in. They have these black stones, and people usually make a wishing tower out of it. I decided to go to a Starbucks nearby with the amazing view, but I ordered a sandwich and it turned out it wasn't vegetarian because I didn't scan the ingredients properly. I noticed the younger generation was too shy to talk to me, but this elderly couple came up to me and said, "Oh, you're so beautiful." They said, "Yep, poyo," and it was so heartwarming. I decided to head home as it got colder and the storm got closer, and I still need to figure out how to get to Busan. You'll see in the next video. Subscribe!